Good morning, Dudu. Hi, Dudu. Hi, good morning. Still sleepy, Dudu?
No,
A little? A
no,
little? Yes. Okay, that's fine, Dudu. It's okay, Dudu. Are you happy?
yeah,
Yes, you are. Now, just sit and relax, Dudu. We will now have our lesson. Okay, I will have for you of the words we had last time. And we will have, of course, the letter V. Can you tell me again, what's this, Dudu? It's a Can you remember it? What do you think is it?
I don't know.
You don't know. Oh no. So it's a van, Dudu. Can you say van? Van.
One,
Van. Okay. Can you say it again? What's this? Van. Van. Okay. It's a van. Now, what about this person? What's his job, Dudu? What's his job?
three,
Vet. Okay, yes, that's right. Vet. Vet. Okay. What about this one, Dudu? What is it? Oh no. What is it, Dudu? It's a
uh, where is it?
vest, Dudu. Vest.
Vest,
Vest. Can you say it again? Vest. Vest. Okay, and the last one, Dudu. What's this? What is it? Do you know?
no,
Oh, you
violin,
violin. Yes, that's correct. Violin. Great job, Dudu. Now, can you tell me again what's this one? It's a
V,
van. Van. Van.
one,
Van. Vet. Van. Vet.
one,
Who? Yes, he is a vet. Vet.
red,
Okay, thank you, Dudu. Next one now. Let us have this one. Okay, wait. Can you still remember this picture, Dudu? What is
money,
money? Yes, that's right, Dudu. It's money. Now, what about this one? It's Hmm.
shop,
Sun. Yay! Very good, Dudu. And what about this? What is it, Dudu? It's a hot
heart,
hot dog. Hot dog, Dudu. It's a yummy hot dog. Okay, can you still remember this one, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? We put it on, Dudu. It's a
On.
What is it? This one. Can you remember it, Dudu?
No. No.
Vest. Vest.
Vest.
Okay, what about this one? What about this? It's a
Oh.
tent. Tent. Tent.
Um.
Can you say it again, Dudu? Tent. 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 Okay. What's this? It's a bed. It's a bed. Okay. What about this one? Look at the screen, Dudu. What's this? What is it, Dudu? It's a
Lemon.
lemon. You remembered it, Dudu. And next one, he is a
Umpire.
umpire. What's this, Dudu?
Violin.
Very good. It's a violin. What about her? She is a
Girl.
girl. Yay. Okay, now what about him, Dudu?
Ah.
Oh, he is a Try to remember it, Dudu. A vet. Vet. Okay, yes, he is a vet. What's this one, Dudu? Look at this picture. It's a
Seal.
seal. Yay! What about this, Dudu? It's
Uh,
it's a leaf. 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 Can you say it? Leaf. Leaf. You are on mute, Dudu. Okay, so it's a leaf. Leaf.
Eve.
Okay, well done, Dudu. Next one now. Okay, let us have these pictures right here. Dudu. Hi, Dudu. Okay, let us have these. What's this one again? It's a
Turtle.
God. What about him? He is a
Turtle.
he
Teacher.
is teacher. Very good. What about him? He is a he is a Can you remember it, Dudu? See, there is
Cat.
a cat. Cat. Yeah, that's a cat. He is a vet, Dudu. Vet. Because vets, they treat sick animals, Dudu. Okay, vet. Can you say it again? Vet.
Vet.
Yes. What about this one, Dudu? What's this, Dudu? What is it?
Tiger.
Yes, very good. What about this one? It's a
Seal.
job. What about this one, Dudu?
Shout.
Soap. Okay, soap. What's this? Who's this?
Uncle.
Yes, it's uncle. What about this one? Oh, it's rainy or it's really hot. I have to bring my, what's this?
Drink.
Umbrella. Umbrella, doo. Can you say umbrella? Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Yes, umbrella. Okay. Yes, why are you covering it, Dudu? What about this side? It's it's
Orange.
hmm,
Orange.
it's up, up, up.
Up. Up.
Yes, just up, Dudu. Up. Yes, that's right. Just like this arrow right here, Dudu. Up, up, up. Okay, just like that. Now, going back, Dudu, what's this? Wait, let me erase it all. What's this?
Uh, uh,
It's a
Pink.
van. Okay, it's a van. What about this one?
Violin.
Very good, Dudu. Great job, Dudu. Now, let us have more pictures. Okay. Next one. Now we have W. Can you tell me again, Dudu? What's
What?
this? It's a? It's a?
No.
What is it? Wolf. Okay, it's a wolf. What about this one? What is it?
Pen.
Okay, it's a web. Web, Dudu. It's a spider's web. Okay. Oh, you're laughing. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, Spider-Man. Okay. Now, third picture, Dudu. What's this? What's this, Dudu?
Water.
It's water. Very good. What about this one?
Watch.
What's very good, Dudu? And we're done with W. Now we'll have the letter. Okay. The first picture, Dudu, it's a.
No.
It's a
Fox.
fox. Yes. Okay. Very good. Now what about this one? It's a
Ching. 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 Ching.
box. Box.
Box.
Yeah,
Box.
it's a box, Dudu. Now, what number is this? It's,
Six.
yes, it's six. And what's this, Dudu?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's yellow, but yellow is the color, Dudu. What color is it? It's yellow. That is correct. But what's this? It's a wax. Wax.
Wow.
Yes, it is a wax, Dudu. This one, Dudu, it's a wax. But this one right here, Dudu, it's a candle. Okay, candle.
Under.
Yes. Now let us have the next letter, Dudu. Oh, let me see. What is it, Dudu?
Yeah.
Yo, yo. What about this one? What animal is this? Mhm. What do you think? It's a yak.
L.
Yak. Yak. It's a yak, doo-doo. Can you say it again? Yak. Yak,
Yak.
doo-doo. Yes, very good. Oh, next one. Maybe you can remember it. What's this? It's a yo
Good.
Yogurt. Yogurt. Very good. Okay, what about this one? It's a yeah. It's a yacht. Yacht.
Yak.
Okay, yes, very good. That's it for this one. Wait, let us have this one again. What is it? It's a hmm. It's a what is it? Do try to think. What is it? It's a yak. It's a yak. It's a yak. Yes, yak. Do. Okay, let us now have another one. We talked about these pictures yesterday, right? Now let me see if you can still remember them. What's this, Dudu? It's hmm. Hmm. Oh my God. What is it? Zipper.
Zipper.
Zipper. Yes. What about this one? What number is it? Z
Euro.
zero. Zero. What about in this picture, Dudu? Where are the animals, Dudu? Where are they? Where are the animals, Dudu? Zoo. Zoo. Yes, the animals are at the zoo. Now, what about this one, Dudu? What's this? What is this, Dudu? It's a hmm. What is it, Dudu? What's this, Dudu? It's a zebra, Dudu. Zebra. Yeah, zebra. What's this? It's a it's a Dudu. Dudu. What's this, Dudu?
No.
What's this?
Zebra.
Yes, very good. Zebra. Now we're done with that one. So we will have a story, Dudu. You have to read this one with me. Oh, you want to encircle that one? Okay. Now that, can you read it with me? What is this, Dudu? What's this? It's a Okay, wait. So before we'll read it, let us hear the audio first.
Page 83. Story. D. Look and listen. Read along. 1.
That fox has a box. That wolf has a watch.
2,
That zebra has a zipper. That yak has a yo-yo.
3,
What do you have?
4,
I have an umbrella.
Okay, there you have it, Dudu.
Sight words.
Now, again, let
Has.
us hear it. Oh, let us read it, Dudu. Can you say, that fox has a box? That fox, that fox has a box. Has a box. Very good. That wolf That wolf has a watch. Yes, see, the wolf has a watch. Yellow watch, Dudu. Next one. That zebra. That zebra. Can you say it? That zebra has a zipper. That zebra has a zipper. Very good. Yes, here's the zebra, right? The zebra has a zipper, doo-doo. Now, that yak has a yo-yo. Yes, here's the yak holding a blue yo-yo. Now, let us have the next one, Dudu. What do you have? What do you have? I have an umbrella. Yes, here is the umbrella, Dudu. Thank you so much for reading it with me, Dudu. And now let us have the next one. Okay, so we have here a song, so let us listen to it, okay?
Page 84. Review 4. The letters S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
WXYZ.
Song. A. Look and listen. Sing along.
A seal and a turtle. A wolf and a tiger too. A fox and a zebra. A yak and a kangaroo. Do you see the umbrella?
Yes, I do.
I do.
Do you see the violin?
Yes, I do.
I do.
Do you want a yo-yo?
Yes, I do.
I do.
I like the zoo.
zoo.
I like the zoo.
zoo.
A seal and a turtle.
Turtle.
A wolf and a tiger too. A fox and a zebra. A yak and a kangaroo. Do you see the umbrella?
Yes, I do.
Do you see the violin?
Yes, I
do.
Do you want
Do
a
you want the
yo-yo?
yo-yo?
Yes, I do.
I do.
I like the
love
zoo.
I
I
like the zoo.
Touch the seal.
Okay, now let us have this picture, Dudu. Can you tell me, Dudu, what is this? Dudu? Dudu? What's this, Dudu? It's a. Can you remember it, Dudu? What is it? It's a. It's a. It's a fox. It's a fox, Dudu. It's a fox. What about this one? What is it? Yes, see? X. X. Fox. Fox. Okay, what about this one, Dudu? What's this one? What is that? It's a. It's a wolf. Wolf. It's a wolf. Okay, it's a wolf.
Are you?
It's
It's
a wolf.
It's are you?
Yes, it's an umbrella. Umbrella.
It's a shark.
Okay, yes, that is the sun. That is correct, Dudu. Now, what about this one? What's this? What's this, Dudu? It's a. It's a. It's a. Yak. Yak. Yak.
Yeah.
Yak. Yes, very good. Now, what's this? What's this? This one. Octopus. Octopus. Octopus.
Octopus.
Yes, very good. What about this? It's an. It's a.
No,
What
I
is
don't know.
it? Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Yes, it's a kangaroo, Dudu. What about this one, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? Wait, why are you covering it, Dudu? Why are you covering it? Oh? Wait, let me erase your writings, Dudu. Again, can you tell me what's this? It's a. What is it? Zebra. 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 Okay, yes, a zebra. What about this one, Dudu? What is it? Yes, V. Vet. Okay. He is a vet. 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 Okay. Vet. Very good, Dudu. Thank you for that, Dudu. What about this one? What is this? It's
Turtle.
turtle. Very good. What's this? Wait. What's this, Dudu? What's this, Dudu? Look at the picture, Dudu. What is it? What is it, Dudu? It's a
Yo-yo.
yo-yo. Very good. What about this one? What is it? Mhm. What is it, Dudu? This one? What is it? It's a... Wait, what is happening? What is happening, Dudu? Dudu? Are you
No.
still there? No?
Tiger.
Hi, hello. Okay, can you tell me again? What's this? It's a... It's a tiger. It's a tiger.
It's a tiger.
Yes, very good. What about this one? It's a... What's this one, Dudu? It's a...
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good. What about this? What is it? It's a... It's a... What is it, Dudu? What animal is this, Dudu? It's Ellie.
Elephant.
Yes, elephant. What about this one? What's this? It's a... It's a... What is it? It's a... Yes, this one. It's a... Bird. Bird. Okay, it's a bird. Yes, it's a bird, Dudu. What about this one, Dudu? It's a... What is it? What is it, Dudu? This one, Dudu. It's a...
Spider-Man.
No, not Spider-Man. Not like that, Dudu. It's a spider's web, Dudu. Spider's web. Can you say it again? Spider's web. Web, Dudu. Web.
Spider-Man.
Very good, Dudu. What about this one? It's a...
Tiger. No.
Up. Okay, it's up. Okay, like that, Dudu. Heart. 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 Can you do it? No? Not like that. What is that? Is that a mouth? Is that the mouth of the shark? Okay. What is she eating, Dudu? It's
Yogurt.
yogurt. What's this, Dudu? It's a
It shows.
soap. Very good. What's this, Dudu? What's this? What is it, Dudu? This one, Dudu. Look. What is this?
Violet.
Violin. Okay, what about this one? What's this? What's this? You have a lot of this one in your house, Dudu. It's a flower. Flower. Yes, flower, Dudu. Flower. Okay. Now, I believe that would be all for this one. Okay, can you tell me again? What's this, Dudu? It's a
Peach.
fox. Fox.
Fox.
Fox. Okay, what's this? What is it? It's a
Wolf. Wolf.
wolf. Okay, very good. What's this, Dudu?
Uh,
It's a van. Van. Yes. What about this one? It's yacht. Yacht.
yeah.
Okay. What about this? What is it, Dudu? It's what do you think, Dudu? Can you say octopus? Octopus. Octopus.
Octopus.
Okay, what about this one? What's this? It's a fish. Fish. Fish.
Fish.
A fish. Yes, that is correct, Dudu. Thank you so much. Now, what's this one again, Dudu? It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo. Yes, that's right. Okay, so that would be all it for our class, Dudu. So you can eat your breakfast now. Goodbye, Dudu. Goodbye, Dudu.